The information provided in this video is in no way intended to substitute or replace conventional medical evaluation or treatment. If you do have any medical concerns, please consult your licensed physician or doctor. Now, all the information provided here is for informational purposes only. And remember that biomagnetic therapy poses no health risks if used properly. And the following instructions are meant for people who have already taken the class. So September 23rd, 2018, I'm Jocelyn Winechko.
I'm George Mendoza from Riley, Alberta. Welcome.
Hey George, how are you doing?
I'm doing just fine, thank you.
Okay, but you know what? It's flu season.
Yes, and we're going to show you the pairs so they can make you feel well this season without medication.
Awesome. Okay, so cold and flu.
2 pairs. Let's begin with one here and one here.
Okay, so the black goes here and the red will go here. Now, I believe that you used that last year for a lot of people who had flus.
And it worked.
And it worked.
The next one is here and here. Subclavia, pair number 1 and the mannequin. Okay. The next one is number 2.
Oh, number 2, that's for the diaphragm, right?
Diaphragm.
And again, there we got black and we have red on the left.
Index finger, amazingly, if you have children and they're feverish, you just put the magnets on the index finger and they get better. Index finger. Another pair is on your back, is on the bra level. That is the magnet goes here and the other one on the rachidem valve. Okay, so black on the suprarenal rachidem valve.
All right.
Another one is located in the tibia. Tibia.
So red to the left and black to the right.
That is correct. And if the person has a cough, then it's popliteal.
Again, we have red and we have black.
Okay. So, usually they get, people have trouble with sinus at this level and sneezing and probably cough. And if they're coughing, this is the recommended pair here and here. Like this and like that. Do I have it right, Jocelyn?
Black on top.
Black and red.
No. Here we go.
Okay, black. Sorry about that, but I'm not seeing it. Okay, like that. Okay.
And that really does help. My husband used it for a cough. It was great.
So now the last one is the sinus cavities.
And
here and here.
Remember, black to the right side of the body, red to the left side of the body for those sinus cavities. And
the one below.
Underneath, black, red.
And we just covered most of the pairs. So this is that concludes our second video.
That's awesome.
I hope we have many. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine, George. I do that all the time. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more surprises in store for you.
And remember, biomagnetic therapy is the medicine of the future. Stay tuned. Bye-bye for now.